Hello, my stamping friends. It's Jackie Ballheis from Klompin Stampers. My head's about ready to explode. I have so much to share with you today. It is August 3rd, and that means for the first time ever, we have Celebration in August. Stampin' Up's now doing Celebration twice a year. So this is the first time we are getting it the second time, and it is during August and September. Now, if you're brand new to Stampin' Up and you have no clue what I'm talking about, during Celebration, it's the best time to purchase Stampin' Up products, and it's the best time to join Stampin' Up because we give you free products when you do both of those. So I want to share today and give you a sneak peek at Celebration. So I want to share about that. I also want to share we have a brand new mini catalog that starts today. Tons of new products. And thirdly, I have a brand new card collection tutorial for you. Phew, so much to share with you. So I'm not going to stamp. I want to tell you that right off. But I have 12 gorgeous cards I'm going to share with you. I'm going to show them to you and we're going to go through them because they're all part of the tutorial that I released today that you can get for free with a purchase, or you can purchase the tutorial. So we got three biggies to talk about. So I'm going to flip the camera down so that I can we could do some show and tell. You're going to love these projects. Even if you're not really interested in the stamp set or if it never caught your eye, I think you're going to be intrigued when you see the 12 cards that I have to share with you. And again, free. Lots of free stuff to share with you today. So hold on, let's flip the camera down and let's get to sharing. I'm not even sure where to start because I have so much to share. Let's go ahead and start with Celebration because this is everyone's favorite time of the Stampin' Up year. So like I said, they're doing it twice a year now. So from August 3rd today through the end of September, every time you make a Stampin' Up purchase, you get to select a free item. Now there's quite a few things that are free with a $50 order. You'll see the little green right there where it says free with a $50 order. Penguins, look at that paper. There's lots of designer series paper in here. You know, they've kind of, did I mention a color? I guess the color changes, but look for the little circles that say free with 50. There's a lot of paper in here. This second celebration of the year is going to have a little bit more of like papers and consumable type items and less stamps. And I think they're going to focus more in January and February on more stamps with those free offerings. Now, keep in mind, all of these free items potentially could run out, okay? Celebration goes to the end of September, but those ones that you absolutely want, I would recommend getting them early before they're gone. So again, we got beautiful papers, and this makes me smile. I love this little counting sheep stamp set, and there's dies. So if you don't like the dies, you can get just the stamp set. It's great on its own. But if you place a $100 order, you could do 50 and 50 and get both of those. I just got this, so I can't wait to play with it and share cards with you. This one here, I have an upcoming video sharing Shaded Summer with you using these dies. The dies coordinate with a stamp set that's in the annual catalog. Notice that that's with a $100 order to get those dies, but it's a nice, great big set of dies. We have a big stamp set, Delicate Dahlias, however you say it. Again, that's a $100 purchase. And then we get to the back here, and this is super fun. There's a stamp set called In Your Words. The only way to get this is free with a $300 order. Now, I know some of you do that on your own. Otherwise, if you want to put together a book party with your friends, if your cumulative order is $300, you can you don't even have to pick it. They automatically send it to you, but there are some awesome, fun greetings and sayings in that. I'll be sharing with that later on this month. And then finally, what I said, it's the best time to join Stampin' Up and the Klompin Stampers. If you join during August, September, you pick $125 of product from the annual catalog or the mini catalog, whatever you want. You're going to pay just $99. So make out your wish list. And if it's over $99, you should just buy the starter kit, to be honest, because the starter kit has free shipping. Okay, so $125, free shipping, plus there's 12 different bundles, and I think they range all the way up to like $70. They're all in the brand new mini catalog. You get to select one of those for free as well for that $99. So it is the best Stampin' deal out there right now, and I would love to have you join the Klompin' Stampers. If you would like to just join as a hobby demonstrator, we love you. We would love to have you. Most of my team is hobby stampers. We have a ton of fun sharing creativity, stamping ideas, virtual stamping events. We do a ton of for those of you that just love to stamp. Or if you're looking to maybe have a Stampin' Up! Business and share with others and make an extra little bit of money, I'm here to help you with that. I have a huge resource library and videos and training. We do lots of training with that as well. So please reach out to me if you'd like more questions. Now, sorry guys, I'm talking so much. Please don't leave me a comment, say I talk too much, because this is not my normal. I just want to share with you everything that's happening right now because there's so much. Okay, so Celebration, the brand new mini catalog. Now it does say July to December because originally it was slated to come out in July, but they were having some issues with some products, so they bumped it to August 3rd. So this is now available. It is jam-packed with fall and holiday. There are just some incredibly gorgeous stamps and papers and accessories and stuff in here. You'll see me sharing over the next several months quite a few projects out of here. And again, if you don't have a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator and you would like a copy of this, hop over to my website, links down in the video description, click on catalogs, and there's a form to fill out, and we'd be happy to pop one in the mail. Phew! Okay, I am talking too much, aren't I? Okay, now we're jumping back into our annual catalog and the stamp bundle that's on page 110 called Quiet Meadow Bundle. I'll be honest, I overlooked this. This was not one of my first purchases. It just kind of blended in there, and I started playing with it, and this might very well be my favorite bundle in this annual catalog, just because of the variety and all the different ways you can use the stamps and the dies. So what I decided to do was make this my August card collection tutorial. So if you place an order from me from now, okay, it's August 1st, but we're already August 3rd, through August 10th. So it's got to be in those 10 days. I will send you this tutorial for free. Now you have to use the special host code that you'll find over on my website as well. Now remember, $50 order gets you this free tutorial, but it'll also get you a free item out of Celebration. So we can double dip on this. Or if you'd rather just purchase this tutorial, it's for sale on my website as well. Now, what I did with this one, it's pretty overload. We're going to go through all these cards. I have 12 different cards. Notice how I used all the more neutral products. We've got the very vanilla, a little bit of basic white, but lots of basic black and crumb cake. I tried to kind of stay within that same color scheme. And when you lay all these cards out, they look like super cool together. But you'll notice how I combined a lot of stamping with die cutting, which is what's so fun about this bundle. You've got stamped images, you've got dies that cut out some of the stamped images, and then you've got the dies that just cut out nature pieces, we'll call them. But I tried to, as I made these cards, do a bunch of different techniques. We're going to do some blending with the blender brushes. We're going to do a little bit of piecing to get some different colors with our cardstock and cutting these out. Several of these are more that collage background that used to be so popular years ago, and it's coming back, which is super exciting. So there's that one. Again, a combination, and I think this is what I love and is kind of trendy and hot right now, is the combination of stamped images along with die cut pieces. And then we did some stamping on the die cuts. There, we're really playing with the collage, and I love that pop of black on there. And another one just nice and clean and crisp. These two I got to show you together because these I did at the same time. I had a mask, and then I sponged that piece as well. And then again, we've got the collage and the pieces, and a little bit of coloring on that crumb cake and the collage look. and then finally that one. So 12 cards using this bundle, and I probably could have made another 20, just mixing and matching all of these different pieces and different techniques and different styles. So in this tutorial, you're going to see how to do all these different techniques that I kind of incorporated into them. So it's a sneak peek. Like I said, I'm not stamping today, but the tutorial comes with step-by-step instructions, all the cutting measurements, as well as a tips video where I go through all of the cards and give you little tips and tricks and teach you what you need to know to make all 12 cards. Okay, sorry for talking so much today and not stamping, but I wanted to make sure you knew about my tutorial, about Celebration, about the mini, oh, one other thing. Back to this tutorial. If you join Stampin' Up! And you join the Klompin Stampers team, remember, now's the best time to do it. Depending on what free bundle, you're talking probably 175-ish plus worth of product for $99. You also get access to most of my tutorials. So when I do these monthly tutorials that consist of 12 cards with one suite of products, you get access for all of those for free. So if you like tutorials and step-by-step instructions, one more reason to join the Klompin Stampers, especially right now, if you like this one. Instead of paying $20 for this, might as well spend $99, get $175-ish worth of products, and have the tutorial plus many other tutorials as well. So please reach out to me if you have questions or I can help you with anything. I would love to share more about the Klompin Stampers, about Stampin' Up, or help you in any way that I can. And again, hop over to the website if you'd like me to send you a catalog. Phew, I think I'm done talking. You guys have a great day, and I promise I will be back stamping with you in just a couple of days with a fun project. Have a stamp happy day.